Hello, in front of me I've got iPhone 17. In this video I'll show you how to create custom voice control gestures. In the beginning, to create custom gesture voice control on your iPhone, you have to go to Settings. Now, find Accessibility, Voice Control, enable it, and go to Commands. Create a new command, enter speakable phrase, and set action. Confirm, and it's done. Now, whenever you say this custom command, the action will be performed. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment, and subscribe.